what types of customers do you serve?
Yeah, absolutely. So we work with B2B customers. All of our data is B2B. And we'll perform best for customers who sell into geos that either speak English or have at least our shared Roman alphabet. We also perform best with customers with an Alexa rank stronger than 100K, just because the larger the sample size of visitors, kind of the more you can do in operationalizing your data.
Great. What are the main problems that you help your customers solve?
So Clearbit data will integrate into an entire revenue stack. If the platform can accept API connections, we can work with them. But really, we provide the data our customers need to take action on leads and contacts. As a growth engine, we allow our customers to take action, for example, on intent signals across their website and online properties, between visitors and form fills, in any ways that prospective customers could be engaging with them online.
Wonderful. Okay. Are there specific verticals that you focus on serving? Obviously, B2B is where you're focused, but within that B2B vertical, are there industries or verticals within the B2B vertical that you really focus on?
I think because of, as I said before, the sort of tech-first approach that we've taken, we tend to do well in B2B SaaS. However, that's certainly not a requirement. Any B2B company, especially those with a lot of inbounds, or those with maybe a bifurcated sales process. So, they have both a self-serve and an enterprise sales motion, tend to be the most successful, but really we could serve just about any B2B company.
Okay. Are there specific geographic locations that you focus on?
So it's less about where the customer is located and more about where their customer base is located, so where they're selling into. But companies that sell into geos that speak English primarily will perform really strong. And then companies that sell into geos that don't necessarily speak English, but use our shared Roman alphabet will also perform well. Companies that sell mostly into geos that don't use our shared alphabet, our data quality will not be there.
Okay. And what would you categorize your data as? I think you've answered this already, but we'll let you go again.
Yeah, so it's very much B2B data. So if you're purely a B2C shop, we won't be a good fit. If you're a hybrid B2B, B2C, if you have a strong go-to-market motion for your B2B side, we could be a strong fit. And then of course, if you're pure B2B. That said, if Clearbit is something that you're interested in, our sales process pretty much always involves a data test, so that you can validate for yourself how strong our data actually is for what you are specifically looking to accomplish.
Wonderful. Do you guys consider yourselves enrichment providers solely, or do you also provide lists of net new contacts or companies?
Yeah, so we're very much an enrichment provider. Again, kind of coming back to being tech first, we don't really sell lists. That said, if you do have a list that you're looking to get enriched, you can set up an account at clearbit.com and do a one-time batch enrichment. However, to really get the power of Clearbit, you'll want to actually have ongoing, recurring, real-time enrichment used in conjunction with your CRM, with your marketing automation platform, orchestrated through a platform like RingLead.
I agree. I mean, the one-time cleanse, it's never cost-effective to clean data as opposed to prevent or have ongoing maintenance happening. Data cleanup projects are never fun. So